Welcome back, Imizan. In this video, we'll learn how to make a Namecheap account and how to buy domains from the Namecheap account. So let's get started. You can buy from domain from Namecheap within a discount and 57% off with the domains for web hosting, for WordPress, and for any of the blogger website you want domain. So you can get domain from Namecheap. It's simple and super easy. So click on the Namecheap domains and hosting. Once it open, we'll be making our account first of all, then we'll be adding our card or any of the payment system that you want to add it. So if you have already account, click on the sign in, and if you don't have, then sign up. So I have a don't have account, so click on the sign up option. Then you'll be adding some of your details. So you are asking create an account or the login. So first of all, you have to select username. So I am selecting username. So I have selected this username, then add password. So add any of the password that you want. So it asking whether the password contains 8 lines. So I am adding password again. So now I have added password. So now it's asking first name or the last name or email address. Now you can add any of the your name, or you can even use the name on your ID card. So I'm using name there. So now it asking email. So it's better to use the email that you have with your regular use. So I'm adding the email as well. Now after adding the email, just click on the create and continue button. Your account will be created and you're simply login with the Namecheap account. So you can see that our account is created and username, dashboard and profile. So click on this now button. So we are seeing that two-factor authentication, or you can verify this even account. So I don't want to verify. Just go to the profile and add your information because we are now going to buy domain. So I have added the information there. So you can add primary address, and in the billing section you can go and add your card. So you can see that there is 00. So check out card payment. So in the card payment, there are no cards in your account at this time. You can go to the manage and you can add account. So for adding new card, you can add easily from there. Add new card, add the name on the card, card number, card name, and usage. So simply add the card name, then billing address, what is the address on your card, city, postal code, and the place, and then country, and then fill the captcha and save changes. Your card will be added. So now the second section of this video is how to get domain, or how you can get free domain. So click on the domain option, or you can get domain name, search domain transfer. So we want to purchase a domain, so we are selecting the domain name search. So you are seeing that just for 99 cents or under $1 you are getting domain from Namecheap. So it's very cheap. So purchase the domain from there. So now search for a domain name, enter the name that you want to purchase, the domain type. So I want to purchase the domain name of the type in the related field of text. So I want to search this. You can search any of the name there, or so I simply going to the search. So they will be showing you all of that available domains you can purchase. So you can see that if game, if your website or content is related to game, it is the best that you can purchase, and there are the domain for 1 year you can get. So dot shop, so you can see that 30.98 dot pro dot info and dot, there are different web. domain of choose any of the domain that suits your budgets best. So I'm scrolling down to get the best domain that I can get. So you can see that you can even use these domains. So that there are different domains. So I'm just scrolling down. So I have already taken this domain as for the text store. Now that this is not available, so I want to change the name again because I want the same domain that I have already purchased for, because its price is very less. So I am adding this as I have changed the name, so might be the domain same domain available that I have already purchased, because its price is less. Now you can see that this is available and its price is very less as compared to the other domains, and its domain is also very searchable. So I want to purchase this domain. Simply add to the cart. Once you be adding to this cart, so you can see that few item in the cart. So once you be adding, so the 1 year registration and domain fee and icon fee, and total you are billing for dollar 1.16 round about. It will be charge you about 450 per signing fee. So it's a very cheap domain. In only 450 you are getting domain registration for 1 year. So click on the checkout. So after you will click on the checkout, so one registration remain privacy as well as promo code. If you have any of the promo code, you can enter. I don't have any of the promo code. You will simply click on the convert or confirm order. Once you have added your card, it will directly confirm the order, but still I have not added any of the cards. So you can see that there is no card there or no details there. Once the card will be there, you simply click on a continue, and your card will be getting the notification and the payment will be directly cutting from your card. So you can set up, and once the setup is done, the billing, and then you have order, and then you can purchase the domain and your purchase is done. So in this way you can purchase the domain from Namecheap very cost efficient. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.